We are on the east side of Jacksonville in a waterfront community. A lot of these homes are sitting on lagoons and have boats in their backyards. So we wanted to really create a functional space for this homeowner. We created a paver path from the front to the back. It turned it into a more functional, safer space so he could bring his paddleboards or whatever he needed to the back without having to navigate uneven terrain and vegetation. Super excited about this one. Hi there, I'm Leslie with Earthworks. I am on the design team and I'm a salesperson with Earthworks. This was a really exciting installation. The install actually started here at the driveway, and as we move our way to the back, you'll see the installed lighting that we did. This homeowner wanted a smart transformer, so he's able to operate all of his lighting from an app, which is super cool. So let's see what's going on in the back. Here we are in the backyard, and this was the biggest transformation. This space in the backyard before we did this installation was really not a user-friendly space. There was no patio space back here. There was a traffic pattern going around the corners, so we didn't really have any safe pathway there. These homeowners, their main reason for contacting us was to create this beautiful patio space. It is a really large patio, perfect for entertaining. I designed it to be a nice extension from their porch area, living area. So no matter where they are in the back of the house, they can see out, nothing's blocking their view. We rebuilt the steps, made it a little bit wider, safer landings, and then into this massive patio area. Super functional, incredibly usable space. One thing that we like to keep on our radar is drainage, especially when you're installing a brand new paver patio. So they've already got gutters and downspouts. What we don't want is drainage just shooting out onto your brand new paver patio. So we grabbed this downspout. We do have a Y-shaped clean out on here. We always use hard pipes, so you're never going to get clogged up. So we grabbed that pipe, ran it underground, and then we've run it into a catch basin out closer where we can get proper runoff and we don't have all this water coming out onto your patio. One of my favorite things to do on properties that are on a hill like this are creating terraces. So for ease of use and safety and just a really cool aesthetic that I love is terracing. So each step we have a landing as the elevation changes down to the dock. And we also added blade lighting under each step. So in the evening, it's safe and it just adds a cool ambiance. To achieve the terracing, we have to add some retaining wall so it keeps the yard fairly level, but that enables you to make this really nice, graceful transition down to the level of the dock. We gave this homeowner some ample space down here at the bottom, so as they're moving back and forth from the dock and their boat, they've got a place to put things while they're unloading. Super functional space, and it just looks really great. We added some privacy hedges on one side, a lot of clearing out of the landscape. There's certain plants that we kept that belong to them. We kept the sagos, and then we just added layers of agapanthus. We've got firecracker plant. The weeping holly back there was theirs. They travel a lot, so another focus for the plant installations was low maintenance for these folks. We did add additional uplighting in the back. We added uplighting to the Robolini. We have some beautiful queen palms over here, added uplights to those. So with all the uplighting and the blade lights, it's just a great ambiance back here, nice vibe with ample patio space for entertaining. The side yard here was a little more severely sloped, a lot of overgrown vegetation, a lot of plants. It was just a little unruly, as it were. The homeowner did remove some of those things himself, and then we came in and just tidied everything up and got rid of a lot of the clutter that was here. And then we were able to resod. So once again, a backyard space that was a beautiful backyard, but not as user-friendly as the homeowners preferred. But now we've got this really great patio for entertaining and a nice sod area and some really good plantings that they're going to get a lot of good mileage out of. If you are ready to transform your spaces, give us a call. We have designers on staff. We can do a landscape plan for you and cater to your needs. We can create these beautiful spaces for you. We are here start to finish, from the plan to all your selections to the installation. Every aspect of the job install, we're here to help you. Follow us on social media for ideas, comment, like. We are on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. You can come see us at our retail location at 12501 Beach Boulevard. We've got an amazing garden staff. We have pavers and water features and everything that you could ever imagine at our retail location to inspire you to redo your spaces. We're here to help you imagine new things for the spaces, things that you never thought were possible. We're here to help.